We're just sitting outside, just finished dinner. Been a gorgeous day today. 27 degrees C, and it's autumn. And I started sneezing. But it's been the first time I've recorded one for a very long time. Because I thought maybe if I was recording it, that was maybe the reason why I was sneezing more. But I still sneeze just as much without recording. So there we go. Lost it again. Okay. It's Sunday. It's the 18th, 15th, 18th. What's the date today? 19th of October. What's the day? 14th of October. 14th of October. Anyway, that's my sneezing finished. No, it's not. Sorry. People looking at me. Oh. How embarrassing. Stop. Bye.